Part 14. Induction motor. 3-phase induction motors and single-phase induction motors. 3-phase induction motors having 3-phase windings runs on 3-phase 50 Hz 415 volt supply. Mainly two parts: stator, a static part made of steel stamping carrying a 3-phase winding in its slot, and other part B, rotor, a rotating part consisting of shaft, rotor stamping in its slot. Non-magnetic conductor short circuited path in squirrel cage and rotor squirrel cage motor, and rotor winding sides in slot in Slipring motors. Here squirrel cage induction motors power circuit in up to 5 horsepower motor start by Doll direct online starter. Power circuit instead here. 415 volt 3-phase 50 Hz RYB supply and 32 amp switch here off on, and 16 amps HR fuse here, and contactor and ORL overload relay bimetallic systems, set overload relay on 4 to 8 amps Doll starter, and connect motor to all lines in copper conductor size 2.5 square mm. 5 horsepower squirrel cage induction motor full load current in 7.5 amps, and 415 volt 3-phase 50 Hz squirrel cage motor induction motors in and metal frame to connect in to earth as per I rules. 3-phase induction motors, two types: squirrel cage induction motors and Slipring induction motors. Number 2, here up to 7.5 horsepower to 150 horsepower ranging, the squirrel cage motor start by start delta starter, and also auto transformer starter may be used. Start delta starter here 415 volt 3-phase 50 Hz RYB and switch here instead of 63 amp switch, and HRC fuse, high rupture capacity fuse, 35 amps HRC fuse, and contactors used here 32 amps instead of 63 amps used here, and overload bimetallic relay and motor 6 loops motor here 20 horsepower. Start delta starter power connection here 20 horsepower 3-phase 415 volts and 18 to 32 amps overload relay. 3 numbers contactor is here. Number 1 main contactors, number 2 delta contactors, and number 3 star contactors. Main contactors on at same time, at a time star contactor on 3-phase supply A1, B1 and C1 on run motor through shorted C1, B1, A1 sorted by star contactor. 3 to 5 seconds of start contactor and This control circuit close contact to energized and delta contactor. Start contactor off, delta contactor close, and line here to connect C1, B1, A1. The A1 connect to A1 connect A1 connect A1 connect here. A1 connect is, this is the off star contact, and this contactor delta contactor connect here and connect through A1 B2. B1 here connected, C2, and C1 here connected, conductor energized, connect through bimetallic path and connect here A2. So A1, B2, B1, C2, C1, A2 connected in delta to energized in. The contactor 63 amps used full load 28 amps at a 415 volt 3 phase 50 Hz. 20 squirrel case motors, copper conductor used here 10 square mm for power circuit. As per I rules, two numbers are connect on metal frame for 3 phase supply 415 volt for safety. Humans also apparatus. Number 3, slipring motors, stator part winding 3 phase supply and rotor part winding connect in resistance as per rating and as per requirement. 450 volt 3 phase 50 Hz RYB connect, 200 amps switch here, and 80 amps HSA fuse connected here, and bimetallic overloaded line to 50 ORL. And motor stator part winding part connect here, and rotor part connect here, resistance hole, resistance 3 resistance is sorted, and 50 Hz slipping motor induction motor rotor part, this is a brass sleeping brass 3 phase, and first motor total contactor are open. Number first starting, this contactor is close for supply for stator, and other when motor run and that speed slowly energized contactor 5 and C4 energized speed open, speed increasing, and then is increasing speed, then increasing speed in the full load in resistance are sorted. No resistance here, only rotor part is sorted, brass sorted. Starting in 3 phase sleeping induction motors are automatically with resistance steps in the rotor circuit. Sleeping induction motor getting high starting torque, speed control possible, low starting current. 3 phase sleeping motor applicable. Application: hoist, crane, conveyors, compressors, rolling mills, mines, etc. Full load 69 ampere prox. 50 horsepower motor, copper conductor used here 25 square mm for powered circuit. Power conductor used, automatically rotor resistance cut by step of the conductor, use 80 amps to 100 amps.